Hi, to locate duplicate files on Samsung Galaxy S25, just go in Phone Settings, and in Main Settings you need to find Device Care tab, tap it, and then tap on Storage. After that, scroll a bit down, and now you'll see this setting, Duplicate Files. So as you can see, it takes 19.49 megabytes. So with the help of deleting duplicates, we can free up some storage space, and it will just be good influence on the phone's performance. So tap on duplicate files, find file you wanna delete, tap it, and tap this blue button to delete 2 files or maybe more in your case, and then tap red button delete. And now I got no duplicate files. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.